Hello guys, I wanted to share with you how to fix the issues that you may face when trying to transfer your photos from an iPhone to Windows 10 PC. I spent a lot of time browsing internet, reading forums and trying all kinds of solutions. So first you want to open your iPhone settings and scroll down to Photos. Then at the very bottom under Transfer to Mac or PC, change the selection from Automatic to Keep Originals. That will prevent the iPhone from converting the photos when you try to copy it to your PC, and that may cause the transfer to fail. Now go back to settings and select camera this time. Go ahead and select formats and change the setting of camera capture from high efficiency to most compatible. This will allow the iPhone to save the photos in the most common format, JPEG, instead of the proprietary format, which can prevent the correct synchronization between your computer and the iPhone. That's it. Let me know if these steps have solved your solutions, and feel free to put a comment down below. Thank you.